Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I got a little more to do. I want to join Norton's 100 giveaway. I want to do a Speedpick, and I want to unpack this little package for you. I just received them, and it's two of the nice challenge logs, which I think they are pretty amazing, very beautiful. This is Artemis, and made by this guy. He sent me two. He made like 6 or 7, and he sent me two because he wants them to stay in Europe for a while. And this is Demeter, I believe. Yeah, Demeter. And look at these beauties. I will pick some. And if you want one of these, just let me know on the video I'm picking one of those. So thank you so much. I will work on them very soon. But right now I want to join the giveaway from Norton 100. Norton probably knows what's in here. And we got a nice little lock. And let me see. Here's a key. Does work. It's one of those carpenter's labor scaffolder. I guess that guy had a couple of these locks made up for him with Norton. I got 5 of these. So you will see them again in some sort of giveaways, probably. Let's see if I can get a good view on this one. So key works. I'm not popping right now because I want to. So let's see, the shackle is visible. That's the key. So I will do a couple tries, and when I'm happy, I will guard it for you. Nolan, this is for you. Should have stopped. Okay, so that should be enough. Now let's got it. I don't know how fast I was. I don't believe I was pretty fast or anything. But we will see. Once I put the thingy on it, the timer and stuff. So I haven't got it yet, so I don't know what's in here. I'm gonna read my fix here. So where's my C-clip? There it is. So let's not drop everything. That would be a good thing. Would you agree? Okay, let me put the focus where it belongs. Oh, I need a follower. Come on, where's my head right now? Oh. I don't have a follower here. Oh, come on. Bro. Can I use you? I could use you if I haven't learned it already. My head is in the gutter, I believe. No, I'm not trimming you. Okay, the first pin came out. So, I have to show that there's only 2 0 lifts here. You can see it clearly. 2 0 lifts. And the one pin came out here, which is pin 1. Got pin 5. Oh, it's a spool. Another spool. Another spool. Another serrated. So let me remove all this stuff from this tablet. Let me zoom in a little, if it's possible here. I got the thingy in. Then Nolan, yeah, there you have it. American 1100, a little Speedpick. Not the fastest, but it was still good, I believe. And here you got the pins. This is very nice shell. Capital Labor Scaffolder 1100. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.